Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of orientation on Google Maps. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you'll search about Google Maps and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your